Now let's focus on the email templates that already exist on Reservety. You can view those templates by clicking on Apps, then click on Email Templates. Once you are on the email templates page, you will see the list of automated messages. Basically, these templates handle important events like failed bookings, successful payments, account actions, and subscription updates. So right out of the box, your system is already set up to communicate with customers at every critical step. Now, the best part is you are not limited to these default templates. You can edit any existing template by clicking on Edit. Now, let's say you need an email template for a payment reminder. Type payment reminder to the search bar. Then click on Search Email Templates. As you can see, we don't have an email template for payment reminders. In this case, you can create one by clicking on Add New Email Template. Go ahead and click on it. Then add email subject. In this case, we wrote, please pay for the order number. Then we added a placeholder for an order number and placeholder for a site title. The system will automatically change the placeholders with actual data from the order. The site title will be changed with the name of your website, and the order number will be changed with the actual order number from the customer's profile. Now let's go to the sidebar at the right-hand side. First, select email type, click on default template, and we will select payment reminder from the drop-down menu. Here it is. Click on payment reminder. As soon as you select email type, the settings will change accordingly. If you want to apply any rules, you can do so in this section. You can apply it to specific countries, or you can apply it to specific categories. In this case, we want to apply it for all countries and categories. And if you want to attach any file to this email template, you can do so by clicking on Add File and go to the section that says Send To, and it should be to the customer. Now let's start designing the email template. First, you need to decide the layout type. In this case, we want to select one column, but it depends on your preference. You can select 2 columns, 3 columns, or 4 columns. We will grab the 1 column, then drop it to the email template section. Now let's add a text to the email template. Grab a text, then drop it into the box. On the left-hand side, you can enter your text. First, we will say payment reminder. Highlight the text, then select the size. In this case, we will select 26px. Then we can center it. Click on Align Center. Now it's on the center. And we want to make it bold. Click on Bold. Now let's say we want to make the text color blue. Click on the text color icon and select blue. Now let's say we want to add an introduction text or greetings. To do that, click on the arrow here. It automatically adds the greeting. As you can see, introduction starts with generic greeting and mentions customer's login name. If you want to replace the login ID with the actual name of your customer, simply delete the placeholder for user login. Let's go ahead and delete it. Then click on the shortcode. Select first name. Now our message will use the first name of a customer. Now let's write the reminder text. Delete this line here and replace it with your own message. We added our message and we used the placeholder for URL. The system automatically replaces with your website address. In this case, we are using a demo site, so this is a link for the demo site here. And you can change the text settings. You can highlight the greeting and make it bold, for example. You can change the text size. For example, it's 14px right now. You can make it 15. And you can change the box style. For example, you can set the line height. And you can change the background of this text. Click on the color section and you can change the color based on your preference. Then you can add another box here by clicking on the plus icon. And we want 1 column again. And let's add another component. Click on components. In this case, we want to add a button. Go ahead and grab button and drop it to the newly created column. Click on the button and select the link for your button. Now let's design this button. Click on the button again. Go to the style section. Now let's increase the size of a button text. Go ahead and click on up button here. Click on the color and we will make it green. We want to align it in the center, so go ahead and click on the center under the alignment. As you can see, the button moved to the center of the template, and you can select a different font family for the text. For example, let's select Tahoma. Now let's increase the button frame. Go ahead and click on up arrow here. As you can see, the button is getting bigger. Now let's select the button color. We will select this color. But again, it depends on your preference. You can select any color you want. Right now it says button. Now let's change the button text. We will say pay here. Now let's say we want to add an image under this template. Go ahead and click on the plus icon here. We will select single column. Then go to the components section and select an image. Go ahead and grab image. Then drop it to the box. Then click on the image. Go to the image selection box. Click on select. And we will select this image here. Go ahead and click select. And if the image is too big, you can resize it. Go to the size section. Click on the down arrow here or just manually type your numbers. Let's make it 350. This is a good size. Now let's align it to the center. Click on the image. Go to the alignment section and click on center. Now if everything looks good, go ahead and publish your template. Click on publish. Then you can come to this template anytime and change the other parts or add other components. Now let's go to the email templates page. As you can see, our payment reminder appears on our list and the recipient for this email is a customer.